hair gets greasy the day after you've washed it, there's one thing I want you to switch in your hair care routine, and here's why. There are so many different shampoos on the market claiming to do different things like volumize, thicken, smooth, whatever it may be. In order to make those claims, those shampoos have to leave ingredients behind on your hair and on your scalp in order to say they're doing the things that they're doing. You might be thinking, Lauren, what the hell does that mean? Well, it actually means build-up. So every single time you're washing your hair, you're getting a build-up of ingredients that aren't getting washed away. Now, if you're a greasy hair girly, you do not want any build-up being left behind once you've washed your hair. The solution that I'm going to share with you is super simple. All you need to do is use a residue-free shampoo. The one that I recommend as a professional is the Color Security Shampoo. It's completely clear, residue-free, meaning every single ingredient rinses off. You have no build-up. Your scalp is going to be healthy. It can lead to new hair growth because there's no blocked follicles. Plus, this protects your colour, so no colour fade at all. Like I say, the simple step that you need to change if you get greasy hair is switching your shampoo to this one.